Alright, I just got back from New York City. We spent my son's birthday and Memorial Day barbecuing in my mom's backyard. I kept seeing packages were getting delivered and I was like, oh my god, I hope all my packages are still there when I get home. So we've got all these packages to unbox. So we're gonna do it live while I talk a little bit about my journey with UGC and how it's been going. Ooh, I don't even know where to start. Okay, so yes. You want another cookie? Okay guys, 1 second. I am still steadily applying for jobs. I'm using several different apps to acquire paid collaborations. I am still doing some gifted stuff. Like I do a lot of TikTok shop gifting and Amazon gifting because what they're essentially doing is providing the product for me to review in order to be able to gain some type of commission off of them. Now, Amazon commissions are super low. I have sold quite a bit on Amazon, but the on-site commissions are like, it's like coffee money. I'm not ungrateful. I'm still working on it. Yes. Okay, you have a cookie in your hand still. This is actually one of my favorite car chargers. It's the wireless suction one, and it charges your phone while your phone is on there, so that's a plus. This one is actually not wrapped because I opened it, but this is the Mom Cozy stroller fan, which I'm also excited for because I was gonna grab one of these anyways. Ooh, so excited! So Hi Smile sent me one of their toothbrushes. I have been collabing with them and selling lots of their purple toner toothpaste, which works so well. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you go and check out my shorts or my TikTok shop for the Hi Smile purple toner whitening toothpaste. Something else in here, they sent me some more. Literally, I love this. I was just talking about this. This is the purple toner toothpaste. Yes. Hold on, guys. Yeah, so I'm so glad because I was actually, yes. I was actually running out. I use this all the time, especially when I'm going out or have somewhere to go. If I'm going to shoot pictures or content, I use this. It instantly brightens up your teeth. I'm obsessed. So thank you, Hi Smile. I'm super, super excited. So I have two of these actually. They came separately. This one's like a really cool green plant looking one, and then they also sent me a black and white one. So these are bath mats that they sent me, and I will do a video on when I redo my bathroom because I'm due to actually redo my bathroom. I do see I have a Legendary Milk package. Legendary Milk has been one of my favorite brands since breastfeeding. My favorite product from them is their Brewer's Yeast, but I also love their child supplement line. Our daughter uses their iron supplements and elderberry supplements, and I do very much enjoy them. I have my scissors here. Why am I doing this with my nails? Why am I doing this with my $70 manicure, right? So this is their new dietary supplement for women, Big Uterus Energy. This is really great for balance support for ovarian and hormonal health. Really great for women with PCOS. But this is my new shower head filter, which 10/10 recommend. It's great for your skin, great for your hair. You'll be surprised at what your shower filter actually filters through. It's gross. All right, what's this? Okay, so this is a paid collaboration with Mari. This is their turmeric and kojic acid soap and body scrub. I have worked with this brand a couple times and I enjoy them. I think they have beautiful packaging, great products, great marketing. So we're gonna see. Beeline Face Slimming Strap. I have been seeing this all over TikTok. The girls are like really tightening that jawline and that structure on the face. So I'm going to be trying this out. My hubby just looked at me. He's like, you got it? Yeah. He's actually been telling me about this for a while. So this helps reduce double chin. It slims up your face. It eliminates sagging and lifts your jawline. Oh, I have been waiting for this. So this is the LuckView Safe Travels baby car camera. Which instantly, yes. Say hi, ugly dolls. I'm so excited about it. Okay. Okay, I got our Minoso wireless earbuds. This is the X15 Pro. I think I actually have two of these coming in because I tried to order one for my partner as well. Mary Roofs liquid morning vitamin. We have been using Mary Roofs for a while now. So if you're looking for a good supplement brand, I would highly recommend checking her out. The really cool thing about her, I noticed on her website, is if you are considered a low income family, they actually do discounts. So these things are very expensive. They discount it though, which is really great.
Pretty cool.
What? All these packages, right?
Yeah.
I got new cups. I'm here, baby. We've actually had these sets before and they broke on us because our kids like to just throw things in the sink. I already opened these, but I did get a new gimbal for our phone. We have one already that has the eye recognition. I don't think this one does. I haven't opened it yet, but we kind of both needed one because the last time we went downtown, we were fighting over the gimbal and who was going to record on it. So I did get a new gimbal. This is a Brazilian perfume. I got some new shoes they sent me, which are really cute summer shoes. Dream pairs. These cute little summer essentials. I just got those and I haven't even worn them yet. So that was all of my packages. We got a bed full of goodies. So what I was saying about reviewing products in the beginning, it's so much fun to get products. It easily builds up. I have to shoot content for probably 50% of this. The other 50% were just like gifted reviews. So definitely a lot of work. Make sure you don't overwhelm yourself and just get all the samples you can get for free because it will pile up easily. Try to gauge your time and just make sense of what you think you can record fast enough. Yeah, it piles up really easily. This is just the weekend. I was gone Friday and I came back at Sunday morning and all of these packages are sitting on my porch. But I'm excited. I love collaborating. I love working. I love working with brands and learning how brands function and how they work their marketing because I do want to get more into marketing for my own brand. So this has kind of given me the inside scoop on that. And I get to earn money on the side. I am still making money. Not every product I get is a paid collaboration, but a lot of them do have commissions attached to it. So if they do well and they sell well and I influence well and people do trust and purchase products through my links, then I will make a little bit of money. It's nothing crazy, but hey, like I said, I think on Amazon I made some coffee money this month. I can restock my Javi coffee. And then, I keep going, keep hustling, keep moving. We do get money through the items that we get. I don't do any collaborations for products I don't like or don't want. I have so much junk already as it is, especially now that things are piling up. I will only collaborate on items that I find useful. I have also started getting really picky with skincare collaborations, and I no longer do supplement collaboration. Like I said, the only one I will do is Mary Ruth because I actually use their product. I am a paid customer of Mary Ruth, so it was really cool to be able to collaborate with them because I do know and trust their products already. But I no longer do supplements because there's so many supplement companies, and I just feel like my health is one thing that's a non-negotiable. I'm not going to go trying products, and neither am I going to send you to go try products that I know nothing about. So that's one thing I will not do anymore. And I am getting very picky with skincare because same thing. I'm very picky about what I put on my skin. And I'm getting dozens and dozens of requests for skincare collaborations. And I'm just not going to do it. Not going to do them all. But for lifestyle products, for products for my kids, electronics and stuff like that, I'm all for it. So if you have any questions, guys, drop a comment. If you're curious about any part of the process on collecting products to review, the Amazon products, the TikTok products, shoot me a message or drop a comment. Let me know, and I'm happy to do a video about it.